coffee in the morning is so amazing. So I did my own hair. I think it was not yesterday. Yesterday night. I woke up in the middle of the night and was like, I want new hair. So new hair. It's really amazing. But we need to get it out of the way because we are gonna do some skincare. I really like. Yesterday we went for our Galentines because on Valentine's we couldn't celebrate because of exams. Oh fuck, I forgot. I'm supposed to start with the toner and then I started with the hyaluronic. I feel like when you're learning skincare, you have to start with like the lighter first and then move to the heavier. But today I forgot. So my annual is almost over. I don't know if I've seen any difference with this toner, but I like it. My skin looks so, it feels so smooth. And then I have this Pyongyang. So I hope I didn't butcher that. Also like a toner. Isn't it? Yeah, it's a toner. I was like, maybe I forgot the name. But by putting this first, I don't feel like this has penetrated deep enough. So I always like to start with this and then go to the serums. Snail music. If your moisturizers are, you know, name them all. If your moisturizers and you know, name them all. If your moisturizer and you know, start the naming from the start. If your moisturizer and you know, name them all. Snail music. Then go to, this is just like a local vitamin C. I need to improve my vitamin C, but I've been reading about mandelic acid. I'm like, and I don't think I should be learning them this fast. But try. I don't know why I'm in a hurry. I just want to study for my exam and then I'll put sunscreen on top at the end. So this is my favorite sunscreen so far. It doesn't leave any white cast in the skin. Okay. Now to drink coffee and let my skin dry as you watch the footage of yesterday. Galentines edition. Galentines Germany edition, no. Galentines many girls edition, no. Just Galentines, enjoy. I kept telling this one to talk to you. Because it's so that was late. Vicky, come here.
Okay, we can have like a nice here.
It's a video.
It's a video.
Mtu anajipanga. Unasema watu
Mimi nataka hii sauce yao nipewe niende nayo. Tunaenda kula tunaenda kujifunza kutengeneza hii sauce. Hata tana.
Hata za kupenda zinjangi hivi.
Sauce kofla ndayonjangi hivi. That is nice.
Unabonga.
Unaganda ya
Amanga hii yangu.
Yeah, initially it was not better than sauce. You see the
hawana sosi ya watu.
Hasa watu kulanga mchele aje na hii kitu?
Umepewa fork hapo next to you.
Sitaki fork.
Mbona hivi ndio nakupata nini?
Hii nyama bado inakaa Kenyan. Usiweke mbele ya video basi.
Guy, wamegonga.
Hii nyama inakaa Kenyan.
Nani?
This is nice.
Yep. I don't really like number one. Let me just have it.
This is nice.
Jinga,
Want more? Ulikula kitunguu.
Oh my god.
This is nice.
naanza mtakula kumbe ni maji.
Si maji. This ice cream is amazing. This shit is amazing. Like the ice cream is like. I like the waffles out here. Very good. Ah, babe. Boobs zako ziko kwa hiyo video. No, we don't. I'm so tired. I can barely keep my eyes open, but I wanted to show you. My laptop just died one day, like just black screen, so I ordered one from eBay for like 100 euros, something to start with as I like recover. I'm curious to see how long this laptop will last because like I've never really bought anything from eBay. So yeah, it just arrived when I was gone, and then I just unboxed it right now. Let me just show you. So like here it is. I'm like really surprised at the quality. The only thing I can see is like the fingerprints. So here it is, and then it came with the power cable, and yeah, it was packed in this HP. So I wanna start it and then see like how long it can last. It's the Lenovo ThinkPad T470S. I got it because they said it's like good for coding, and I really want to start coding again. So yeah, let's power this shit up. My old laptop that just like randomly died one day, and this is the new one. It's so light. I actually love it. I hope it like lasts for a long time. food in the house, so we're gonna get some groceries because tomorrow the supermarket is closed. Also because I don't have any lunch. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm back. I'm so hungry. I feel like my stomach is eating my stomach. If I had like two stomachs, they'd be eating each other right now. But I need to meal prep for the week, and then I need to bake and then shower, and then I can eat as I study some more. So that will be the rest of my day. So let's go meal prep, bake some cupcakes, shower, and then yeah. Oh my god, I'm so hungry.